Let's now move to Pakistan, which saw widespread protest and a nationwide shut-down strike in response to soaring inflation and controversial tax reforms. Demonstrators burned electricity bills, highlighting their frustration with high energy cost and inadequate government actions on price controls. Traders voiced strong opposition to the Tajir Dost scheme, a new tax reform introduced earlier this year, which they argue adds to their financial burdens without addressing systematic issues. Take a look.
On August 28, Pakistan experienced a nationwide shutdown strike as people across various cities protested against rising inflation. Demonstrations erupted in several urban centers where protesters burned their electricity bills and voiced concerns about exorbitant charges. The high cost of electricity, coupled with government's inability to lower prices or reduce additional taxes, has severely impacted those struggling to make ends meet. Opposition parties such as Jamiyat Ulema-e-Islam Fazl, Jamaat-e-Islami and the Awami National Party voiced their support for the aggrieved traders. In response to the Traders Association's strike call, businesses across the country, including major cities like Karachi and Lahore, remained closed, demonstrating significant community solidarity with the protest.
ताजरों पे रहम करें, वरना हम ये पहिया जाम भी करेंगे और हम इनके गिरेबानों तक भी पहुंचेंगे। वो दिन दूर नहीं। अगर ये जो हुकूमत वक्त है, इसने ये होश के नाखून ना लिए, IMF की गुलामी बंद ना की और ये जो जाबराना टैक्सेस हैं, ये ताजर टैक्स ये नहीं है कि देना नहीं चाहते, लेकिन ये टैक्स उतना लेना नहीं चाहते जितना हम देना चाहते हैं। ये अपनी मर्जी से अपनी अयाशियों के टैक्स भी हम ताजरों से लेना चाहते हैं, जिसकी आज हमने हड़ताल की है और मजम्मत कर रहे हैं।
Traders across Pakistan voiced their frustration with reforms designed to expand the tax base in the financially strained country. Their protests were specifically directed at the Tajir Dost scheme, with the Federal Board of Revenue implemented in March of this year. According to reports, the goal of the scheme is to improve tax collection and ensure that more economic activities are captured in the tax net. However, the scheme has faced criticism and resistance from traders who argue that it imposes additional burdens and does not adequately address their concerns about the tax system.
हमारी किसी से कोई जाती लड़ाई नहीं, हमारी लड़ाई इस सिस्टम के खिलाफ है जो घर में बैठकों में बैठ के फैसले कर देते हैं। तो मैं ताजरों को दावत देता हूं कि आए हमारे साथ खड़े हो जाएं, आप हमें वोट देकर ताकत दें, हम आपकी आवाज बनेंगे। इंशाल्लाह आपके हकूक के लिए आपके भाई हम ताजरों वाले बाजारों में मौजूद हैं, जो तकलीफ में आप हैं हम भी उसी में मुब्तला हैं। तो इंशाल्लाह कोशिश करेंगे कि आपकी इन तकलीफ का इजाला करें।
In Pakistan, the rising cost of living has become a significant concern, with inflation driving up prices for essentials like food, fuel, and medical care. The surge in costs is straining household budgets and diminishing purchasing power, making it increasingly difficult for many people to afford basic necessities. Contributing to this economic instability are fluctuating global commodity prices, supply chain disruptions, and domestic economic policies, compounded by the devaluation of the Pakistani rupee, which raises the cost of imported goods. The impact is most severe on lower income and middle class families who spend a larger share of their income on essentials, leading to heightened financial stress and a diminished quality of life.